Good afternoon, my awesome friends. I'm sorry I'm so late putting this up, but I've been sick a lot lately and I've injured my back, so this really wouldn't have taken that long to do if I was feeling better. It was a lot of effort on my part because my back is still bothering me some. And this is the third year I've done a video called Christmas Brunch. Means something easy and simple on the table or in the cozy corner for when we're tired of cooking and cleaning and getting everything ready for Christmas. We can just sit and relax and visit with our family. A very simple meal that I put together without any baking on my part. And all the beautiful displays in this were things that I picked up at Dollar Tree or already had. And it was under $10 for the whole display that I put together. Plus, I bought some new holiday plates, home for the holidays, with a gingerbread house on them in the trees. I thought it went perfect with this theme. And of course, the red and black plaid on the reindeer and on the tree. Thought it worked out great, and it also matched my Christmas plates that I got at Dollar Tree. Let me know what you thought of the display. All the food I already bought pre-done, so I didn't have to do any cooking or baking. Got a couple tamales for me and my husband, one chicken, one pork. Got a couple burritos, and I got some cookies that were freshly cooked at the store today, and I got some donuts at the donut shop. It looked like a very nice display, I thought. All the food was freshly made. So hadn't been frozen or anything like that, or been in a box. Cookies been sitting on a shelf for months. Everything here was fresh. You can do it. It isn't hard. I even got some fresh salsa. So everything was super fresh. Everything tasted wonderful. But I just wanted to share with you that anything can be put together for a Christmas brunch. Make it simple and easy, and anyone can do it. It doesn't take a lot of money, and it doesn't take a lot of time. The only reason why it took time for me is because my back, like I keep saying, I've messed it up. So everything I'm doing is a lot of work and effort on my part. But it looked like a very colorful display, I thought. Let me know what you thought. And there's plenty of food that will be left over for tomorrow. Sure, we're not going to eat a burrito and a tamale all today. And those cookies, I'm sure, will be enough for the next 3 or 4 days. And the donuts will be at least enough for a couple days. So there's always leftovers, and it always makes it easy for the next day. Just go in the refrigerator and pull it out and fill it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Well, what did you think of my Christmas buffet that I put together, brunch? This is the third year in a row. Usually I do something a lot fancier and nicer, and I was going to try. But the more I tried to do something, my back just started hurting again. So I decided just to cut back and do something simple and easy this year. We can't always be worried. And I found so many beautiful things I already owned and had by shopping my house and buying a few things at the store. The cups I've had for quite some time from Dollar Tree. The home for the holidays are some new plates that I bought over at the grocery warehouse, and if they still have some more next week, I think I'm going to buy another set. I don't think they're overly great quality, but I think they're really great for the holidays, and I didn't realize that they came with 4 different patterns. If I'd known that, I would have bought it today when I bought that, because that way I would have 4 different displays for Christmas to set up on my table. But we learned, and we just go ahead and keep doing. Like I said, it's been a hard day for me going grocery shopping and getting this put together and getting it all up online. So this is all I'm doing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the Christmas brunch that we did this year. Simple and easy. And if you were doing this on Christmas morning, you wouldn't have to do any cooking. Just sit down and visit with the family and have a good time. That's important, guys. Family time is very, very important. Don't forget. Thank you so much for stopping by.